Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Today Show. We have a brilliant show lined up for you. And first, we have the brilliant Chef Rahman.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Everything seems to be happening here. Talk us through it.
We're going fishing today. So, being Bengali, we love fish.
Bengali.
You're Bengali?
Yes,
You're Bengali
yes.
as well. So, this is a proud thing for us.
It was the obvious thing to do.
This is Seabass. Seabass is not a Bengali fish. It's actually a European fish. It's quite known around the world.
Okay.
Very easily available. So I thought, yeah, a nice dish to show you guys within 15 minutes.
I love that. Can I just say, I
cracking.
often order sea bass in restaurants and it's so expensive.
Yeah.
So if we're doing all this in 15 minutes, maybe I can try things out at home.
That costs about £2. So £2, another quid, £3, yeah?
Oh my gosh.
You've got a nice little meal
You're
for two
talking like
people.
18, 20 quid plus in restaurants.
Exactly.
Let's go.
So potatoes, I've just boiled them, okay? So it's going to be with potatoes.
Do you add a bit of salt when you boil the potatoes?
Yeah, inside actually, good thing you asked.
Okay.
Look, there's garlic, all the little bits you see here. So I'll put a bit of dill in there, got dill, salt obviously.
Lovely.
And let that cook, let that kind of infuse together.
Okay.
And then we're serving with some broccoli. The last thing that we're going to cook is actually going to be the sea bass.
Because it's quick, isn't it?
Because it's very quick.
Yeah.
But before we cook it, we need to prepare it. So I'll get that.
I thought my job was to pass things.
Oh, yeah,
I
sorry.
have only one job.
Okay, you've got more stuff
Okay.
to pass. So broccoli, wait, let's put the broccoli on first, 1 second. So while my pan's hot,
Yeah.
I want to take the tip off the broccoli like this. This is tender stem broccoli.
Okay.
Very nice flavour to it. And it cooks really nicely. You know, see the other broccoli, they get a
Very
bit
nice.
mushy.
It looks so fresh. Well,
Yeah.
a lot of people get frozen and everything, but actually fresh.
Yeah, get
is
fresh.
better, isn't it? Yeah.
I mean, this broccoli, you can't really find it frozen. So, yeah, you can
Yeah,
only get
they only
fresh.
do the florets,
Yeah.
don't they?
But the good
Okay.
thing about this is it's quite sturdy. It won't fall apart, and it's also got lots of vitamins and minerals.
And it looks
all
really
that.
good as well.
Yeah, exactly. And when it's thick like this, look, just give it a little crisscross. Just
Ooh.
like with asparagus, you can do the same.
Look at that, doing chefy things there.
Yeah, chefy things, and then chuck that in the pan.
Nice.
Then we're going to season it. If you can season this with salt and pepper, please.
Oh, you're getting me to do the seasoning?
Yeah,
Are you sure about this?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, let's go then.
I think you can do it. All right.
I mean, I use a lot of salt, so.
All right, so that's going to kind of just cook slowly. There's a bit of olive oil in the pan, okay?
Okay.
And then in the meantime, we've got potatoes cooking. They're going to get cut in half and cooked in this pan as well, once they're ready.
Fine, perfect.
And then there's going to be a nice little dressing for our
I'm seeing satsumas,
satsumas, yes.
and I'm liking that.
So it's going to be a zesty dressing with
Okay.
dill. We've got honey.
Lovely.
We've got apple cider vinegar. And then we've got
Apple cider vinegar in
yeah,
cooking.
because the acidity can bring up the flavour, and apple cider is probably the best kind of vinegar.
It's
you can
very
get.
good for you, isn't it?
Exactly.
And then sea bass, it's over
And
there
sea
now.
bass. And now
This
we're
is
going to
healthy,
marinate
right?
this sea bass.
You're
Yeah.
going to talk us through the health benefits of sea bass.
Yes, I mean it's very rich in omega-3s, fatty acids.
You
So
said
it's got
B12?
Vitamin B12. Omega-3 is really good, and we don't produce it ourselves. Our body
Yeah.
doesn't produce it, so we need to find the sustenance. And sea bass is one of the highest forms. Mackerel, sea bass.
There you go.
Yeah, they got it for us.
Every reason to use it.
Yeah. So we're going to marinate the sea bass, all right? I just showed you both sides just so you can see, but we want to do ideally the meaty part.
Do you look out for anything when you buy sea bass, or it's just if it's got sea bass on the packet, just get it?
No, try and find organic,
Okay.
non-farmed. It's quite hard to find, very high prices, but go
Yeah.
to your local fishmonger.
Okay.
They'll have fresher.
Better than supermarkets, yeah?
Yeah, supermarkets,
Nice.
I mean, it's not like inedible, but if you want to try the real flavour,
The real deal.
yeah, and treat yourself, then
Yeah.
go and get a nice one from the
Look at
fishmonger.
that. It's colouring up nicely, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. It's colouring up. So what we do, leave it to the side, put the
Okay.
heat down a little bit. Okay, 1 second. There we go.
I'm glad you know
Hello.
what you're doing with the electric hob.
Yeah. How long we got? We got okay, 10 minutes.
We
that's
have,
fine.
yeah, 10 minutes. You're spot on.
So yeah, salt goes on my fish.
Okay.
Pepper. You always have pepper. And always make a bit of mess with salt. Why not?
It doesn't work
Put
otherwise.
some enthusiasm
Yeah,
in it.
that's
You
right.
need to season your cooker. Sumac. Okay. Sumac you can find in your local turkey shop. But
like
like a lot of big
sumac.
supermarkets are getting it as well now. Turmeric. If you can pass me a spoon, because I don't want to touch that with my fingers.
Spoon, yeah?
Yes, please. Thank you.
There you go.
So a bit of turmeric. This is organic turmeric as well. And the good thing about turmeric with fish is it lightens that fishy smell.
Right.
So Bengali moms know this. You kind of marinate in turmeric water to kind
I
of
mean,
get
Bengali
that.
mums would go harder, wouldn't they?
Exactly,
with
they'll go harder.
all
They'll
the
proper.
spices.
Yeah.
We're
all the
keeping
spice.
it
We're keeping
midway.
everything just to get the fishiness
Yeah.
away. And we're going to use a little bit of that vinegar as well. Okay. Just a tiny bit.
I'm so surprised you're using apple cider. I didn't even know that was
Yeah,
a
you're
thing.
right. Why not? You know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then we've got smoked paprika. So this is a bit sweet. Okay.
Nice.
So that's our fish, kind of easily marinated.
Lovely.
And then we put a little bit of oil. And then now I've got a job for you. You're just going to keep on brushing it.
Oh, you've got a brush. Lucky.
Yeah.
I thought you were going to...
No. So yeah, just brush it, get that evenly spread.
Yeah.
And if you want, you
can
can
do.
also turn the fish around to the other side. Okay. And in the meantime, I'll get the potatoes out.
This is quite therapeutic. It's like I'm painting.
Yeah, exactly. Like if you've got kids, get them to cook, do this, because it's really fun. And
Yeah, it's
also,
good to get kids involved.
getting
I'm a
them
bit fussy
involved,
like that. I
getting
need
them-
to do it a bit more.
exactly, getting them involved actually makes them want to eat it at the end.
Yeah.
So that's perfect. So look, potatoes, we turn around like this, cut into quarters, yeah. Broccoli, now I'm going to use your tongue, sorry.
Oh, yeah, go on.
Thank you. Broccoli can come out, and it's just going to wait here, all right, while we cook the sea bass now, all right?
Oh,
Yeah,
so we're
so
not using like
broccoli's
100 different pans. It's
Not
nice
one
and
pan
easy.
dish, well, excluding that. You can actually not cook the potatoes in water,
Yeah,
but it's just easier and faster.
of course.
So yeah, look, now we've got the pan. We've got garlic in there,
Yeah,
and your sea bass should be ready.
yeah.
A bit more olive oil. This is a non-stick pan. If you don't have a non-stick pan or you've got a grill, just put a little bit of parchment paper underneath.
You know, it always
Skin
stresses
side
me
down.
out that it gets stuck on the pan and all of that. What's the
Exactly.
trick for that
Trick
not
is
to
don't
happen?
touch it. Look, when you first put it down, this pan's really good.
So that's what I keep
See,
doing. Keep moving
Islam
it
time we've got
around.
good pans. I can
Okay,
see that.
got it.
But look, when you put the fillet, it kind of curls up. So
Yeah.
press it down like this. But be careful not to let it splatter all over you. Press it down like this.
Okay.
And this is going to take about 3-4 minutes to cook now. Because these
So
are really
quick.
small fillets. But look, we put garlic there. We're going to put the potatoes in it with it.
Lovely. Oh my
Yeah.
God, this looks amazing.
Um,
I know the production crew are very excited, but I don't know if they're going to get to this before
they won't
me.
make it.
They won't make it, will they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So look, this is now cooking on very low, gentle heat. Potatoes are there. We season the potatoes too.
Oh my God, all the aromas coming
Yeah,
through
we can
now.
put a bit
It
of
just
sumac
smells
there.
divine.
And then let's make this dressing quickly. We've got about another 7 minutes.
Yeah. You're
so-
spot on.
Yeah.
Mm,
Got a
very
watch.
good.
It's very good to have a watch in the kitchen.
Very
Dressing.
organised. Yeah.
Dressing. We're going to put honey. Let me get a fresh spoon, please, because this
Yes,
one's...
yes. Here you go.
There we go. So we've got honey here.
Okay.
We're doing that. Honey, olive oil. Yeah.
Oh, you're making it in there.
Yeah. Let's make
Very
it there.
rustic.
Rustic. Sumac is kind of one of the
I like sumac
highlights
a
of
lot.
this dish. Vinegar, like we said.
It's hard to find sumac.
Vinegar you need in a dressing because
Okay.
acidity brings out the flavors of the
Oh
greens.
my God, that's a lot of
especially,
vinegar. Right.
and the proteins.
Anything you need me to...
And from there,
All
no,
done?
Yeah, all done.
Salt? No.
Capers. we've
Okay.
got.
You took my job again.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you can season that salt.
Oh, there you go.
She reminded
I'm happy now.
So
Okay.
season that dressing, and
Yeah.
we're just gonna drizzle that on top. Capers, you can find that in your local shops as well. I'm gonna now put it
Lovely.
into this, and I want it to kind of crisp up with the fish.
How do you buy the capers? Are they
Capers
in...
come in a little jar.
Yeah, they're in little jars, aren't they?
They're in liquid, so drain the liquid, obviously.
Okay. Still got 6 minutes to go, and
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
pretty on time, aren't you?
Flying. Okay, and dill. So dill has got like an aniseedy flavour. It's very nice, fresh, aromatic. Yeah. So
You
what
know
I'm gonna
that
do?
vinegar scent is coming through. Sorry, I'm
Yeah, that's all
distracting,
right.
but yeah, it's
Vinegar,
going to
yeah?
be good. Nice hit, yeah.
Vinegar's good. Let's put the broccoli there.
So we've
There
got
we go.
dill.
Yeah, dill. I'm gonna grab it all together and chop it roughly, stalks and everything. Not too thick stalks, just the top part of
Lovely. I don't use dill very often. I might need
it. I
to
think
make more
after this
effort.
you'll probably start
Oh, really?
wanting to use it. Yeah.
You know how it is, coriander on everything.
Yeah. Sometimes like we just need to feel the flavors to understand it. Seeing it on a picture, you know, like sometimes when you see
Yeah.
people just eating a lobster, it's not just about that. So in the dressing, look, we're gonna put lots of dill, and this is gonna become
this
like
looks so nice.
almost like a chimichurri.
Yes.
Yeah.
Did you do something with
Kinda
the
like
satsuma,
chimichurri.
or that's later?
Satsuma's gonna go in now as well. I'm
Okay.
gonna put the
I'm
juices
excited
there.
to see how that plays out.
Yeah. So look, that's like a nice thick little dressing.
Very nice.
And then satsuma juice. Okay, so instead of lemon, I'm using satsuma juice.
Look at that.
Yeah.
This is
in this
so
cold
simple to
winter
make.
day, it's like you want a bit of summer, so this is
Yeah.
going to give you that summery flavour.
It looks amazing.
Okay, so let's get that heat up now. Let's put it on this heat.
Oh wow, you got high heat on there, full heat.
So yeah, we're going to start getting ready to plate up. Let's clear up all these thingies.
Okay.
Yep. And broccoli is already cooked, but we're just going to put it in the pan as well. So that everything in one
This
pan.
is so nice. Look at that. I feel like you could just eat it off the pan.
Yeah, you can eat it with the pan.
Yeah, not very aesthetic, but.
Yep, make that.
You need everything off?
Yeah, let's
Yeah,
clear it.
let's do that.
Which plate? You can pick which plate you want. I think maybe that
I
one.
like
so
this
you
one.
See everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should we go here with the plate? There we go.
Yeah. Have you ever tried sea bass before?
Sorry?
Have you tried sea bass before?
I always order it at restaurants. It's one of my faves.
Okay.
And pay lots of money. So this is what I was
you were
saying.
that, weren't
This is much better. I didn't realise it was this easy to cook.
It's very easy to cook. So look, now we're going to plate up the broccoli.
Yeah.
Design it however you want. I'm a bit like a rustic chef.
Look at that. A meal.
So this is 2 portions, so I'm not going to give it all to one plate. Look, get your potatoes on there.
You could put all on one plate and I'll just eat it.
Oh yeah, on your
I'm not
potatoes. You want lots of dill. This is almost like a potato salad, you know?
Oh my God, that's a lot of dill.
And the juice is
There
going
we
to
go.
drip down on it.
This looks amazing.
Yeah, you can use boiled potatoes. If you don't like sauteed, you can just chuck boiled one straight in.
Okay.
Yeah, and then look, now we're going to flip the skin. Hopefully I don't break
Look
it.
at that.
Oh,
Almost.
tense. There we go. It's all right. Not
Such
too bad.
a nice
Yeah.
colour. Look at that.
And you see the
Looks
turmeric
brilliant.
has kind of brought a yellow flavour. Paprika's bringing out red notes as well. And you don't want it to be, you sear it, but leave the middle a little bit under.
Okay,
because
fine.
while it's sitting there,
It's resting.
it's
and
going to complete its cooking process.
stewing.
So then
Yeah.
you'll get perfect fillet of
Oh my God, look at this
Seabass.
meal.
one of these garlics. Oh, this is
Oh,
making me
you're-
drool. And then if you could get a zoom up on that. So that, oops. Dressing,
You're fine, you're fine.
dressing, do it around the plate.
Look at that. You can see it on screen. Oh my goodness.
Yep.
It is looking
Get
the
that
part.
vinegariness.
Why go and buy this at a restaurant? You've done it
There you go.
in literally less than 12 minutes.
12 minutes. And would you like to have a try?
Looks so... Are you actually asking the question? Like I'm going to say no.
Finish it with sumac.
Oh
Bang,
my
there you go.
God. You just...
There you go.
This looks amazing. With a spoon, yeah?
Yeah.
Why not?
Sorry, this is how we do on Islam channel.
Why not? Why not? I've been told I have to save some, but I don't really hear that very well.
Yeah, I mean, whoever grabs this first, so they'll get it. While you're eating that,
Yes.
I'll just show you another way of plating up. Because there's so many ways you can
Oh
plate
my
up.
gosh,
If you
you're
wanna get-
showing us another
If you
variation.
want to
Yeah,
get
go
really
on.
fancy, yeah.
We have a minute
flip
for you
it.
to plate this up.
Flip it. Let's swap sides.
You had crispy onions as well, by the way.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
What would you have done with that? Just
Just,
sprinkled
no,
it
there you
over?
go on the top. Yeah, yeah. So they add a bit. Oh, there you go. Look. That's the one thing I didn't make that was ready made. And I forgot it.
That is incredible.
Yeah.
You want to do a swap, did you say?
Yeah, yeah. Let me go on this side.
That is so
take
tasty.
the plate
I've been
with
told
you.
I need to save a bit for the guests, but otherwise,
Okay.
I think when we go into the break, I'm just going to...
So look,
finish
this
that
is
dish.
like your little Buddha bowl.
Okay.
So comfort food.
You have 30 seconds to
Yeah.
show us how you're going to dish this one up.
Comfort food, yeah?
Look at that.
So just sitting watching
Winter
your TV.
vibes.
Get a couple of garlics in there, the butter.
Oh my God, that looks amazing. You've got your dill.
And then, look, you know what, I'm just going to pour it on top like that.
This
you go.
looks so good.
There you have it. Seabass
Look at
with
the two dishes together.
Seabass,
Absolutely
sauteed potatoes, broccoli, and a zesty dressing.
amazing. Well done, Chef Rahman. We're going to have our guests try it at the end, but we're going to a short break now. See you back straight after this.